Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user the length in feet, and then our program will convert the given length in feet into meter equivalent using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters on my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, so basically I'm using div C++ in writing this program. So sharp include IOStream for input output in every C program. So this library file allows us to have basic commands like printf, scanf, and looping statement in C. So int main, it is the starting point of every C program. We have here begin, and then I have declared two variables, float, meter, in feet, which I initialize with 0. The data type in float in C, it only accepts values that has decimal places. So printf, and then the title of our program, feet to meter in C, give length in feet, that will store the value in feet, meter equals feet, divide by 3.2808399. So we have here the feet value of 5.4f, in meter is 5.4f, in feet in meter, so feet in meter here to display. New line return 0, it will return to our operating system, and then we close with the right curly bracket. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us go to execute, compile and run. So let's say we have 1 feet or 1 foot. So the 1 feet value of 1 feet in meters is 0.3048 meters or meters. Another example, let us run again. Let's say we have 5. So 5 feet, the value of 5 feet in meter is 1.5240 meters. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on feet to meter in C programming language. I hope that you have learned and entertained in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.